Hi, my name is Sam, and I am in the class of 2018 at the Abraham Joshua Heschel High School, and for my project I built a robotic arm. The robotic arm begins with a cylinder base. The cylinder base has one servo directly attached to it, and on top of the servo there's a bearing. The bearing ensures that the weight of the robotic arm doesn't crush the servo. Attached to the bearing is a circular plate, and the circular plate is directly attached to the two 9-inch aluminum channels, and the two 9-inch aluminum channels hold up these two servos. These two servos are able to control this 15-inch aluminum channel by being at supplementary angles. When this is at 0 degrees, this is at 180 degrees. The reason I needed two servos as opposed to one is because one servo wouldn't be enough to control this massive 15-inch aluminum channel. These two by themselves aren't strong enough to hold all the weight of this 15-inch aluminum channel plus the gripper, so I needed a counterbalance system with a rubber band to give it a better range of motion when picking up objects. I also added a gripper at the end to pick up objects and put them down that is directly attached to a servo. The servo at 180 degrees opens the gripper all the way up, and when it's at 0 degrees, closes it. So, the way I controlled the robotic arm was using a program called processing. And in processing, I used a language called Java to read my keyboard. And when I press the up arrow key, it sends a U to the Arduino, and the Arduino interprets that signal and sends via serial communication, and then sends a signal to the board. The board then sends a signal to the servos to move, which in turn moves the robotic arm. One of my major mistakes was trying to use a potentiometer. The potentiometer gave me a ton of jitter because it was receiving noise from the Arduino. I implemented a low-pass filter, but that low-pass filter didn't end up working, so I needed to switch to using Java to control the robotic arm. For potential modifications, I will be adding another degree of freedom to better attempt to pick up objects, and I will also be inputting flex sensors into a glove so I can control the robotic arm with my hand. Thank you.